my god, microbio practical, and we're repeating, what is it called? Enterobacteriaceae and Neisseria gonorrhea. Gonorrhea. Chlamydia trachomatis. Yeah. Bacillus. I don't know, dude. I'm so scared. Okay, wait. It's perfringen. And Clostridium botulinum and Clostridium tetani. Yeah. TSI. Okay, TSI is triple sugar indole. Iron.
And lactose or sucrose. So if the butt,
It's so nice out right now.
if the butt is yellow.
It is now post
Micro exam.
practical.
Oh,
Ayla's here. We're waiting for her. We're all going to Belvedere now. What do you think of the exam?
rate it out of 10.
No. It's a vlog.
You should start
Me, what I
again.
think of it, we don't talk about it.
What'd you think of it?
I wish it was like more time.
Yeah, exactly.
I wanted to
Bro.
go back and check my answers.
Dude, there was a question with like the it was what like citrate and CO2. I did not know what CO2, like did citrate utilize CO2? That was a question.
Oh, right. Which one was like the only CO2 product? I just put citrus.
No. I just like, it was asking, I genuinely don't know.
Oh,
Like, oh my
It
god.
was like, because when you ferment it, I think.
Isn't the product as
Citrate, it turns into
post microbio lecture? Microbio lab practical. Where? Oh, I see Katie. I see her. She's at the table right over there. Over there somewhere. Wait, let's go this way. The cherry blossom tree. Wait, that's not even cherry blossom. That's so cute.
Wait, that's
Oh,
so exciting.
yeah.
When are you signing? You already signed your lease. When are you moving in?
Yeah. I'm moving September 1st.
Oh my god, wait, that's so exciting.
Yeah. We got this really good snack. It's so fire. Oh my
What
god.
is it? How do you say it?
Wait, we can ask Eva to pronounce it.
Oh, yeah. Eva, read this.
Banggujan. Yeah, banggujan. Yeah. Every time I come here, it's just covered. Bye bye.
They do have Oreo cookies.
Yay!
Oh, never mind.
Wait, look at these cookies.
Huge.
These are so, they look so good.
Why is it so
Do you not talk?
Wait, do you like move it or something? What is happening?
Yeah, this is kind of melted.
No.
How do you Is it?
Watch us break it.
Wait, how do we like?
The vanilla's here.
How do you move it?
Is it like, do you like detach this or something?
Wait, it is right. It's a dog.
How do you detach this thing?
Wait, I don't think we do.
Here's the lever here. Hello.
Bro.
We're gonna break it.
I think we can. And then we could switch it to the side.
Bro.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god. We did him, guys. Whoa. Damn. Wait, can't believe that actually worked.
I know.
Does this even done? It looks yum.
Oh, we don't.
Hello. Little
Looks like the stereotypical like bacteria. Like
I knew.
I knew you were gonna say something about bacteria. My bad.
Oh,
That's good. Damn.
Great job, Cindy. Thank you.
Who did they say was the good professor for patho?
A kid Nassim or Vanessa Bath.
Nassim?
Nassim.
Thank you.
Bath? What is this monstrosity? We got Cindy's ice cream. We got matcha and ice cream and
What's it? Oreo,
Oreos and
M&M's, and my French toast. Their French toast is so good.
cow fire.
What if they like back check us?
First, we break the ice cream machine, we disassemble it, and then the lunch person blames the wrong culprit, and then now we have just a whole bag. Oh my god.
Those things too, like, my name is Paulo and this is what I brought. Have you seen those reels where like, death by...
Ready?
Wait, can we...
Stolen.
It is sweetened. You're so proud of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50% more calcium than dairy milk. Ooh.
Guys, like, can we make a bet?
What?
Whoever loses has to steal every single carton from the cafeteria.
From now on?
Dude, we have so much.
And then all the milk and stuff over here.
Oh my god.
And then
Yeah.
taking advantage of our dining swipes. Bye. We wanted to catch the sunset, but we like low-key kind of missed it because this is the sky.
Cross, we'll do it tomorrow.
But the
Yeah.
esplanade will be nice at night.
Yes.
Yeah.
We took a photo for how long? Like
It was like half an hour.
yeah, we took a lot of photos for a very long time, and now we're like by the like Cambridge like area. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Wait, we go down here. Yeah.
Which means they think that they're
We can sit like wait. Oh, there's a bench right over there. Yeah. Whoa. It's so pretty. Oh, we're at the bench right now, and low-key the view isn't like as good because we have like the the bush covering the view. But yeah, we have the Chipotle right now. Cindy got it for $4.
Yep.
We just finished dinner. Now we're on our way to find a bathroom. This is a view. It's so nice. How are we feeling?
This is
How are
not
we
real.
feeling?
Oh my god, wait.
What the heck? Bro.
Wait, I'm actually driving.
Oh,
Bro.
let's just cross. Let's just cross.
Okay. Careful. Run, Cindy, run. Oh no, it's okay. You got it. We're almost there. Oh my god.
Wait, your hair? Bro just does not care about us. He's just like running further.
What is this?
Open the door.
Bye, Cindy.
That bad.
Dude, my shoes are my like pants are so cold. Your socks was completely
Guys.
drenched.
I do not recommend, bro.
Oh my god. I like basically took a shower. I'm gonna take another shower.
I think I will too.
Okay. Well, bye bye.